and welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine Zena, and today we are going to dye my hair again. Yes, I'm attempting to dye my hair red, like a deep burgundy red. So today I'm going to use the Loreal technique HiColor, and I'm going to use the color Red Fire. I initially wanted to use red and magenta, but I went to 3 different hair stores and those colors were all out of stock, so I just went ahead and went with the Red Fire, and hopefully it gives me the color that I want. If not, I also have some semi-permanent hair color in the color Intense Red by Adore. So if the color just is too bright for me, I'm going to put the rinse on top of it. So I was about to start this process without you guys, but I said, hey, let me pull out my camera, show you guys how I do it, just in case it finally turns out correct. And that will be the time I don't get it on camera. So in this glass here, I have 150 milliliter of cream developer, and it's the number 40. This is my first time using number 40. I always do 30 and below, but my hair do not take color well, so I'm gonna bump it up to 40 this time. And I'm using 2 boxes because normally you have to use 2.5 fluid ounces of developer to each container of hair dye, but I'm using 2, so I just doubled the amount of developer, and I'm going to add these tubes to my container. So instead of trying to actually squeeze it out of the tube, I'm just going to cut the top off. I feel like it'd be easier to do it that way. So now I'm going to use the copper intensifier. It looks like this, and I have 2 because I'm using 2 boxes. Okay, so this is actually turning out more orange than red. So I'm going to get my other hair dye. One moment. So I got a towel in this Adore Intense Red hair color. So I'm gonna add this in because I don't even like the color that it's mixing out to be. Because normally when I dye my hair, the product actually be red before I put it on, and this is orange. And reading the intensifier where it says copper, I'm thinking it's gonna be more of like a blonde color, and I don't want orange hair. So I'm just going to apply this in now. And so the color turned out like this. It's a little bit more fire red. And so now I'm just going to apply it to my hair. Let's see if I can get a shot of the color of my hair now versus what color it will be when I'm done. So I actually have a little new growth like here to prevent hot roots. I'm not going to apply it to the roots of my hair just yet. I'm just going to apply it to the length of my hair first. And so let's get started. Okay, applying it with the brush is actually easier than applying it with my hand because the hair dye is looser, so it drips off my hand but it holds onto the brush. So I'm not going to bore you guys and have y'all watch me do my whole head. I'm going to come back once I am done applying the hair dye. Okay y'all, I'm back with the final results. Let me give y'all a 360. So this is how my hair turned out. I actually let the hair dye sit on my hair for an hour, and this the color turned out. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this wash and go, make sure you stay tuned, and I'll let you guys know that I use a new product, and it's by Shea Moisture, and it's the Make It Last line. Stay tuned to the next video and you guys will see how I did this wash and go and how it turned out once it's dry, because now it's wet. I'm about to sit under the dryer. So until next time, see you in the next video.